Every single week in the month of May, we are celebrating moms. And today we're taking a toast to our very first mommy, Vaughnette Bigford. And it's brought to you courtesy of the folks at Bailey's. Yeah. For me, you've made jazz cool.
Oh, that's beautiful.
You made jazz relatable.
I will come back on this show.
You have made jazz relatable. And I think when I say cool, but like relatable,
and
you would not have gotten Joel Daniel Villafana going to any jazz show to sit down and hear. I could not do it.
I understand. And you, just what you are expressing here is what many other Trinbagonians express. So we hear the whole thing about people talking about there's no jazz there's no real jazz in the festivals, and at the end of the day, we are Trinbagonians. We're wired differently. We are not Black Americans who jazz is their thing. It's not who we are. So the intent really was to expose the music to a new audience, to the Trinbago audience, but make it something that they could understand, that they could relate to. Of course, it's nice, Joel.
It's nice, you know.
Jesus.
You take the Baileys and you take it up to another level there. Oh my goodness.
This is good. You only put 2 ounces of Baileys. I could get the next one after.
You could get it.
Ooh, Papa.